So in this vlog, I just want to run you guys real quick through my weekend, what happened all through the weekend. I did try making a donut. It was a fail. Well, just the shape. The shape wasn't perfect. But aside that, every other thing about the donut was good. And then after the donut, I did go for a late 40th birthday party. And then the whole family, we were just going to spend time downtown at the Indianapolis CANAL area. You guys should enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Guys, so we just got to downtown Indianapolis. Today is a Saturday.
Because we could have rain.
Yeah, today is a Saturday, and look at Ariel, she slept off, and that's her right there. So today is a Saturday and the weather is so good. Like, it is like 80 to 70 something degrees, and we're like, what's the point of sitting at home when we can actually come out? You know, we can actually come out and enjoy the weather. Everybody's out today, so we're here, we're downtown. Mr. T brought us to the canal, so I will take you guys on a tour of the canal today. Stay tuned and let's have fun, okay guys? I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Because the Friday we can
Ariel, come here. Come here.
And Saturday too.
Come here.
So what he's saying is, I don't let them have candy or chocolate during the week. They can only have it on Fridays and Saturdays. Alright guys, see you later. back in time. Guys, so we are back into the car. I am so exhausted, like literally. Yeah, you can hear Easy said he too. Mr. T was the one behind the camera, man. Mr. T really tried, guys. Like I couldn't even do half of the work. So this is part one.
Little Red.
right now we are gradually coming to the end of this vlog, and I want to say thank you so much to everyone who has been watching till this extent. I really appreciate all of the love and the support. If you're new to my channel, please endeavor just do me a favor. It is free. Subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And to all returning subscribers, those people that show me love on my channel, they don't miss any of my vlogs. I know everybody thanks. I know some watch, they don't comment, but I still appreciate you guys because, man, the love is amazing. I'm grateful. I am thankful. God bless you all. Thank you so much. And also, I want to say here that this place we landed at Fonde, it's in Indiana, Speedway, Indiana, my bad. And Speedway is not too far from my neighborhood. Mr. T decided to bring us here because when we were leaving, we're just like, where are we going to next? Where are we going to next with the kids? Everyone was asking, and he was like, stay tuned. So he brought us here to come have some ice cream. It was enjoyable. It was fun. I enjoyed my ice cream, and I would have taken you guys on a tour of downtown Speedway, but to be honest with you guys, the sun was scorching. I just needed to be home because I had burnt a lot of calories and I was tired. I was just ready to go home. But anyway, guys, Speedway, Indiana is known for always hosting the Indy 500, which is a Formula One racing that takes place yearly in Indiana. People worldwide, all over the world, come to drive this car and win the competitions. And they do have a museum. The Speedway is big. The Motor Speedway is big. So hopefully one day I can go see a race. I will vlog it. But well, for now, you guys should stay tuned, enjoy the rest of the vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.